Hello internet. Welcome once again to another new video. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back sa Rappi Audio. Where I can do restore and repair audio vintage gear. This time I have 1983 Trio Kenwood, no? Stereo cassette deck. Ipipictures ko to ngayon and i-demo ko siya. Let's start. This Kenwood KX51 is a stereo cassette deck with Dolby noise reduction. So it was introduced by Kenwood in 1982. So 1982 siya introduced. Ang main features nito is the main features of this Kenwood KX51 are two heads, analog 3 digits tape counter, and manual tape selection with support for normal and chrome metal tapes. So belt driven single capstan transport. This is also a typical front loading cassette deck with the cassette compartment located on the left side of the deck. So tape eject is operated mechanically, and the cassette needs to be placed with the side to be played facing forward in the cassette. So level meters used on the KX51 are generic digital peak reading meters with multicolors. So ayan yung yung level meters na parang may mga LED siya, na iba-ibang kulay. So it indications to provide visual saturations level of the tape. So full logic transport control use the KX51. Let its response to the slightest finger contact for fast and effortless transport function selection. So ito is almost digital na siya. So yung mga functions button niya, so digitally na, push buttons. Yan, so makikita niyo yan, yung mga buttons niya, no. So push button na lahat yan. So digitally na siya, hindi siya kagaya ng typical na mga tape deck na manual, mechanical. So ito puro push button lahat. So may logic controls yan sa loob. So kada press mo ng button yan, digitally na yan. Kumaga meron siyang IC sa loob na nagko-command. Then ita-transfer niya sa mechanical side. So almost digitally na siya talaga. Kumbaga may pagka-hi-fi na rin siya. Although late model siya 1980s, no. Yan. So ang manual lang dito na mechanical, so yung eject yan manually. Yung kagaya ng sinasabi dito sa And again, the Dolby system reduce the tape hiss on tape recording on the KX51 by as much as 10 dB at the highest frequency. So ito yung gamit na Dolby system dito. So pare-pares naman sila. So to reduce the hissing sound na nanggagaling sa tape recorded, no? So it reduced as much as 10 dB at the highest frequencies. So, dito makikita natin yung specifications nitong unit na to, no? So, nakalagay na lahat yan dyan. So, yung mga details, so, yung mga tape set, size niya, weight, ayun na, nandun na lahat. So, this time, sound check tayo nung unit, no? So, this unit is, I have to put it here with the amplifiers and speakers, no? So we can demo the sound, yung performance niya. So, makikita nyo dyan. So, dalawang speaker, ginamitan ko siya ng Diaton, then so meron siyang Sansui na AB 7000 AB amps. Ayan, pinartneran ko siya ng Diaton 28p speaker. Ayan.
Kailangan mo ako sa oras ng iyong pag-ibig. Asahan mo ako ay dati. Kung kailangan mo ako sa sandaling bigot ng lahat, pusong kay tayo.
So, okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. So, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe para sa iba pang mga videos natin. So, subscribe lang kayo pag may time. And please like. Okay, thank you, and thank you very much, and have a good day, and keep watching. Thank you, bye-bye.
Just as you smile.